Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have the green Deadbolt here, and then we have some upgrades. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what the upgrades are and then start putting them on. Alright, here's everything we got. We got some diff covers, 7 grams each, and then these hex extenders plus weights, so it widens it and adds extra weight, and then some shocks. Then the chassis links, and then steering link. So we're going to be adding all this today. And then we ordered some wheels and tires, but they won't be coming for like another 2 weeks, so we'll have to do that separately. But yeah, this is everything we have for today, so I'll start putting it all on now. Alright guys, it is done. Nice wide tires. We got the steering links, diff cover, shocks, chassis links, and the wheel extenders. Let's go test it out. So the wheels and tires actually came a lot earlier than expected, so I'm actually going to be putting them on in this video. So all the upgrades are already on, so I'm just going to get these built and then put them on, and then we'll be done. Alright, got everything on. Wicked. Let's go test drive now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. It was a little bit better, but I mainly care about the looks for this one. It looks sick. See you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.